Okay, right now we take out the metal plates and see the inside. So I can tell you that inside, because this is a water cycle in a heat pump, so there is a circulation pump inside, of course. Yeah, you see, there is a circulation pump there. Okay. So it is a water cycle all-in-one heat pump. So water cycle all-in-one heat pump compared with the traditional gas cycle, so built-in circulation pump around the tank or building inside of a tank, water cycle heat pump, its performance is better and also safe. Okay, so that's why we push our water cycle type all-in-one heat pump. Yeah, circulation pump. And this circulation pump we also use, you know, as you can see, it is a stainless steel pump head circulation pump. So the pump also very strong. Yeah, this is a compressor. This is a tubing cell heat exchanger circulation pump. Okay, so it is a water cycle. Okay, this is the water cycle type all-in-one heat pump. We have 200 liters, 250 liters, 300 liters, and 500 liters for options. And outer case, you can also choose white color, and also all stainless steel case, all okay. Okay, and about the refrigerants, you can also choose R4, R410A, R134A, and also you can choose R417A for options, because different countries will need different refrigerants. So we are flexible. It's up to you. Okay. Any more questions? Please discuss with us. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.